Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. What do I have here? This is my Craft with Heart card subscription box. I love the Craft with Heart card subscriptions. They are a great way to quickly put together lovely handmade cards. If you want to make handmade cards and you do not want to buy all the things, stamp pads, stamp sets, paper, if the idea of amassing and collecting all of that stuff makes you a little agitated, it worries you, this is the way to do it because you get everything in the kit with the exception of your adhesives. So I like to have a little liquid glue. I also use my big tape runner, but there are little tape runners. And you do need to have some kind of 3D stuff if you want to pop things up. So these are 3D foam dots. There's 3D foam tape, all those types of things. I'm just going to do a little show and tell walkthrough of what comes in the kit so you can see what it's all about. Open up the box. Right on top are the instructions, and this also shows all of the different cards that will be made using this kit. When you open it up, you can see what the instructions look like. It also shows you what the images are in the stamp set. And this is an exclusive stamp set only available in this kit. So you can see they give you some basic instructions, but it's really simple stuff. Here is that beautiful stamp set. Isn't that nice? Really great sentiments. Thinking of you and just for you, just a note. Thanks so much. Great stuff. Covers a lot of different needs. Packing list. This is a bag full of all of the envelopes. The kit includes the envelopes. So you can see here there are some slimline cards. So there are slimline envelopes and then just regular old envelopes. Every kit includes a stamp block that works perfectly. If you don't want to use this, you have something else. I use my big stamp blocks, but I love to have those little ones on hand. They're great travel stamps. I love to have this when I'm traveling somewhere and I want to minimize what I'm taking. Same thing with the black ink spot. They always include the little ink square in your kit. This is really meant to be able to grab and go. I think I will give this a little open here. Oh, I got it. To hopefully gently coax it out. Ooh, crazy hair today. Here we are with all the different card bases, the slim lines, the regular size. So that's all ready for you, good to go. And then this is like punch art. This is like those paper dolls used to punch out all the stuff. That's all this is. And I'll grab one up here. You know, there's enough to make 2 of each card. I'll show you. You make 2 of each. So each pattern is doubled. So there's, and it tells you what card that goes with. And I'll show you. Each card is numbered. So you can see here this number 12, which is this little piece here. You can see where that is on card number 12. So everything is labeled for you and ready to go. Super easy, really fun. I think a very good value for how many cards you end up with. When you think about having to buy all the different things, this is a very good value, a nice price point. If you'd like to learn more, you can go to barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com and you can click on the subscription tab and it will give you all of the information pertaining to Craft with Heart. And there's card making and they do have scrapbooking. So you can click on the card making one and learn more about Craft with Heart card making. I was able to go through and complete all of the cards, so 24 cards. It took me 2 hours, and that includes the 20 minutes or so to deal with all the punch art, all of the pieces that you have to punch out of the pieces of paper. So here are the cards. This is the instructions. And here they all are. I apologize for the glare. I have them in their protective little bags. But 2 each. This one I actually did in the wrong direction on one, but that's okay. I think it still turned out. Some of them I changed the sentiment to fit my needs, which is exactly what you can do with this kit. There are no rules. The kit police are not going to show up at your door and give you a ticket for stamping a different sentiment on. This is another one. This was more of a wedding sentiment. I said it's time to celebrate. I need more birthday cards than wedding cards. But aren't these cute? So, so sweet. These are slim lines. Aren't those bright and cheery? Oh, I just can't wait to send those out. And then here, it's your day. And that's it. Those are all those cards. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day. And I will see you next time.